Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will start with a very new chapter, that is parameter and area. So first the parameter. So what do you understand by the parameter? So parameter is equal to, we can say parameter is equal to sum of the sides. Sum of sides of a figure or of a shape. So all the sides when added, we got the parameter. So first figure we have to take is the rectangle. So suppose that this is the rectangle. So this is the rectangle here. So as we know, we have already studied in earlier that the rectangle having a length and the breadth. So in this rectangle, this is the length, and this is the breadth. Since opposite sides of rectangles are equal, so this is also length and this is also breadth. So what is the parameter of rectangle? Parameter of rectangle is same, that is the sum of the sides. So length plus length and breadth plus breadth. So we add both the breadth and both the length. So L plus L becomes 2L and breadth becomes 2B, B plus B. Here 2 is common, so it becomes L plus B. So this is the formula for the parameter of rectangle. Now the area. So what do you mean by area? Area means the space occupied by the 2D shapes. Okay, so this is the space. This is the space occupied by this rectangle. So what is the area? The area formula is area is equal to length into breadth. Now the parameter and area for the square. So in a square we know that all sides are equal. So suppose that if this is the side A, so this is also A, this is also A, and this is also C. So all four sides are equal here. So what is the parameter? Parameter is the sum of the sides. So parameter is equal to A plus A plus A plus A. So how many A are there? 4A. So 4A. So the formula for the parameter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Similarly, area means the space occupied by the shape. So this is the space occupied by the shape. As we have known that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here also this is the length A and breadth is also A. So that is A into A. So A into A becomes A square. Therefore area of square is side square. So these are the four formula you have to know. That is the area of rectangle, parameter of rectangle, the parameter of square, and the area of the square. So let's take the example here. So how to solve these type of question. So here is the question: a door frame of dimension 3 meter into 2 meter is fixed on a wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. That means wall is in the square shape and the door is on rectangle shape as I shown in the figure. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges are painting 1 meter square of the wall is rupees 2.50. So how to solve these type of question? In this question we have to find the area where the paint is done. So paint is done on the walls. We have to leave the door. Okay, so we have to find the area of the remaining wall. So first find the area of the square. So area of square is equal to side square. And what is the square of the side? This is 10 and this is also a 10. This is the dimension of the wall. So side square, that is equal to 10 square. So it is equal to 100 meter square. So this is the area of the wall. Now the area of door. So area of door, it is in rectangle shape. So we have to use the formula for rectangle, that is length into breadth. So here length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter, so that is equal to 6 meter square. So the area required, so area is equal to 100 minus 6, that is equal to 94 meter square. Now what is the cost here? For every 1 meter square the cost is rupees 2.50. Okay, so this is the rate. So what is the cost will be? The cost is equal to, you have to multiply the rate with the required area. So rate is 2.50 into 94. So after multiplication you will got the answer rupees 235. So this is the cost of painting a wall leaving the door. So this is how you have to solve the example. I hope you understood. Thank you.